Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber. Welcome. Before I dive right in, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Feel free to make a comment if you like, and most of all, share my videos to your friends and family if you think it's information they can use. Welcome. Hey, this video is kind of long overdue. We're in the middle of the coronavirus. Today is April 4th, 2020. I hope everyone's being safe, staying at least 6 feet away, and protecting yourself. Maybe wearing a mask if you do happen to venture out. But look, today's video is about the 609, Section 609 versus Section 611. A lot of you probably saying, what the heck is 611? Well, this video is really kind of dedicated to 611, but I wanted to do as a title, 609 versus 611. But before I begin, I want to share this with you. I'm sharing my screen with you. So you guys know I started this journey doing credit repair a long time ago. If this is your first time with me, I started doing this at a credit repair and working on credit right out of college, 88, 89 really pretty strong. Excuse me. So I've been at this thing for a long time. What I got on my screen here is just a couple of, I want to just show you something. I'll make my point here in a second, but just take a look at this. This is from 11/22/99. Hey, Tony, thanks so much for repairing my credit. You have given me a lot of new opportunities. Have a great Thanksgiving. And Brian. Mr. Hill, just wanted to email you for helping me out, clean up my credit. I've been in the process of building a new home and trying to take advantage of low rates. When we started out, the best rate would qualify for 8.9, and 3 months later, after you worked on the credit, in my defense to the credit bureaus, I'm locked in at 6%. Wow, 6%. That was a while ago, right? But that was a pretty good rate back then, which having a $300,000 mortgage you can really see the savings. Thank you so much for your help. So these are just letters but my point is, look at the dates on some of these. 2002, and that's 2002 up here. Letter from Lisa. Hello, my name is Lisa. Blah, blah, blah. You look, they're all, my personal buying a home, because you didn't have reviews back then, right? So customers would send me letters, or I would ask them to give me a reference letter, for just to keep on hand. This was way back when. To whom it may concern, in 99, Terry had started a process of shopping, initially had a problem, ran into was derogatory credit. During the time I was an employee at blah, 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 Tony Hill's program of credit repair paid dividends. Now I am in a home and my credit is remarkable. Thanks, Anthony. Thanks. So once again, letter after letter after letter. 2002, once again. And I'm not doing this to boast or brag. This is just some of the letters that customers send me. But you'll see where I'm going with this at the end. The skills and expertise of blank company, that was my old company, has been tremendous in reestablishing my credit. The knowledge they possess in dealing with various credit bureaus and collection agencies are outstanding, Maurice. You look up here, 2002. Okay. So the reason I showed you that, I just want to show you these are some of the credit bureaus. This is TransUnion. Paid tax lien, delete it. First Consumer National Bank, delete it. New information, Capital One, new information. No. Once again, if you guys doing a little bit updated information. What year is this? 2002. Okay. Delete it. And if you guys can see my marker, my little cursor, to delete it. Pay tax lien verified, no change. Chapter 7 bankruptcy, delete it. Credit acceptance. Delete it, delete it, delete it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 deletions. 2 inquiries deleted. All of these deleted. And sorry about that. So just want to see. So that is TransUnion again. Let's look at Experian. I have to turn this for a second. Sally Mae, deleted, deleted. Arcadia Bank, deleted. Access Acceptance Corporation, deleted. Collection, 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 all deleted, right? We saw those. Let's turn this around again. Okay. New information. Civil judgments. Deleted, deleted. New information, deleted, deleted, deleted. New information, deleted, deleted. Now, you remember, this was, look at the bottom of this one, 99 when they sent me this letter, okay? Let's turn this again. It's going to make sense to you guys after I kind of, not to boast and brag, but these are just way back when. This is from 99 again. Anoka College, Anoka County Courthouse, deleted. Conciliation Court, deleted, deleted, deleted. Anoka County, these are all judgments. Hennepin County, Sherburne, Ramsey, Wright, Hennepin, Cook, all judgments, all deleted, right? So you guys see the point that I'm making. I think these are inquiries. Inquiry has been deleted. Discover. I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. Green Tree. Discover. Green Tree. Royal Jewelers. J.C. Penney's. So all of these inquiries have been deleted. Look at all these inquiries. So I wanted to show you guys that because that was, you figure that was back in 99, 2002. A lot of those were from long time ago, right? Some of you guys probably weren't even born then. But I wanted to show you that because look, what I'm attempting to show you guys today is that it doesn't matter what you use. If they cannot be verified, you can write it on back of a piece of toilet paper and you send it in and it's going to get deleted. So look, I know that you guys are really excited and enthusiastic about the 609, but I wanted to break this down to you. And it's kind of funny, you know, what kind of got me thinking of this, it was a while back, I was looking at a video and the guy was talking about the 609. You guys came down on him like a ton of bricks. So, you know what, bring it on, man. It is what it is. I mean, in this day and age of the truth being everything, I just got to be 100. And look, don't get me wrong. I even co-signed on the 609 sometime, told some of my clients use because they're so high on it. I wasn't going to tell them not to do it. And I would, you know, I mean, the other information out there. It was hard for me at the time to break down the 611 because I know where they were, you know, it's going to fall on deaf ears. But look, I wanted to bring this to you. And then once again, take this video for what it's worth. I just got to share the truth with you. If you don't know, the 609 basically refers to the section of the FCRA that addresses your right to request copies of your own credit report, associated information that appears on your credit report. 609 doesn't have anything to do with your right to dispute information on your credit report. With the agency's obligations to perform investigation in your dispute. So there is no secret 609 letter, folks. I mean, look, I understand it's a great concept. It works. But I don't know if you ever seen Eddie Murphy's performance when he does the cracker. Oh, it's the best cracker I ever had. You know, look, if all you know is one thing and it's worked for you, that's what you're gonna judge everything else off of. But I'm here to tell you, and the reason I showed you those deletions was the fact that that was way back then, and it was no sophistication to it. Basically, I worked with people. I did a letter. I came up with the investigation form that I'm going to give you guys for basically $1, along with the 611 letter, section 611 letter that I have. I'm going to give that guys to you for $1. The letter and the um, investigation form. You can do with that work, and I guarantee you it will work if you be persistent, as you are being persistent on the 609. But so look, and I'm going to leave this description of this down below. Read it for yourself. Once again, information on your file uh, recipient. Every consumer reports agency shall, upon request, subject to 610A, clearly, accurately disclosed to the consumer. And then once again, you guys can read this on your own. Basically, it's talking about the information of the consumers to whom the file relates request the first 5 digits, social security number, blah, blah, blah. But basically, it talks about the information that you can get by asking for it. Now, let's go to 611. Sorry about that. So basically, 611 is the statute that talks about disputing accuracy. Procedure in the case of dispute accuracy, 15 U.S.C. 1681. Reinvestigation required. In general, subjects. It's if the completeness of accuracy of any item information contained in a consumer file, consumer reporting is disputed by a consumer, notifies the agent directly or indirectly, a reseller of such dispute, agency shall, free of charge, conduct a reasonable reinvestigation and to determine whether the dispute information is accurate and record the current status of the dispute or delete the item with the file in accordance with paragraph 5, blah, 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 30-day period. That's where all of that comes from 611. And that's, it's in plain handwriting, black and white, guys. So look, if the 609 is working for you, if you like it, I love it. But I just wanted to speak the truth on this thing and tell you how all of this came about. So what I've done for you guys, I have come up with a letter for you guys, and it's called the. Let me get rid of this. Sorry about that. But basically, I'm going to give you this letter for $1. So basically, it's 2 sample letters, the second and a also along with a ID verification sheet. And I'm going to give that to you guys for $1. So look, I just wanted to bring this to you, to let you know that, look, the 609, if it's been working for you, great. I am no longer going to co-sign it. I'm going to call it a 611 when I talk to my guests. When I talk to my clients and my customers. That's just keeping it 100. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please use the letter, 2 letters that I'm going to send. And if you have to do a 3rd and 4th request, use the 2nd letter. Then also I'm going to send you give you guys the dispute form for $1. Also, I'm going to have an opportunity for you guys to purchase my new credit guide. and it's called Restore, Remove, and Renew, my 611 credit guide. So look, I'm Tony Hill from Making Sense of Credit, making sense of making money online. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. And then most of all, make a comment if you like. But until next time, guys, first of all, before I go, be safe, stay 6 feet away. If you go out, wear a mask, do whatever you have to do to be safe. Until next time, guys, peace.